Ever wondered what are the top 10 most luxurious motorbikes in the world? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going on a journey that will take us through the realm of luxury, power, and style. Buckle up as we count down from 10 to the most luxurious bike in the world. At number 10, we have the Harley-Davidson CVO Limited, a bike that combines power and luxury. It boasts a twin-cooled Milwaukee 8-117 engine, custom paint, and an advanced infotainment system. The premium suspension and heated hand grips make every ride a pleasure. Number 9 brings us the Honda Goldwing. This bike is all about comfort and technology. With Apple CarPlay integration, a 7-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, and an adjustable electric windscreen, it offers a truly luxurious riding experience. 8th on our list is the BMW K1600 GTL. This bike is a testament to BMW's engineering prowess. It has a silky smooth inline 6-cylinder engine and a host of features like adaptive headlights, a dynamic ESR, and a reverse assist. Moving on to number 7, we find the Ducati Panigale V4. This Italian masterpiece is not just a bike, but a work of art. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine derived from MotoGP, ensuring power and speed are never compromised. At number 6, we have the MV Agusta F4RR. This bike is as luxurious as it is powerful. It comes with a fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, Brembo monoblock brakes, and a top speed of over 180 miles per hour. Halfway through at number 5, we have the Ecossi ES1 Superbike. This bike is a technological marvel, boasting aerodynamic design, electronic control systems, and a bespoke fit for the rider. Number 4 brings us the Yamaha YZF-R1M. This bike combines luxury and performance seamlessly. It comes with an advanced electronics package which includes a quick shifter, slide control, and launch control. Getting into the top 3, at number 3 we have the Bro Superior SS100. The SS100 is a classic reborn, combining vintage charm with modern technology. It's hand-built with a 997cc V-twin engine and a price tag to match its exclusivity. Coming in at an impressive number 2 is the Ducati 1299 Superleggera. This bike is a dream for any motorcycle enthusiast. Its monocoque structure, carbon fiber bodywork, and 215 horsepower engine make it one of the most luxurious bikes on the market. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The number 1 most luxurious motorbike in the world is the Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter. Starting as a concept bike, it quickly gained fame and is now valued at a whopping $110,000. It's not just a bike, it's a statement with its unique design, carbon fiber body, and titanium frame. And there we have it, the top 10 most luxurious motorbikes in the world. From power and speed to comfort and style, these bikes have it all. Luxury, after all, isn't just about the price tag. It's about the experience, the craftsmanship, and the thrill of the ride. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.